Hi everyone, I am back today with another Sistaco design for my Sistaco followers, or for anyone who may be thinking of purchasing any Sistaco colours. I've started off with my normal clear coffin press on nails, and I've put some of that pink nude that I just showed you on the last two, which will make sense later. It's just so that it looks like a natural nail, because otherwise it's going to look pretty silly with just a clear plastic tip. So I'm starting off with base coat on the rest of the nails, and then I will come back once that's cured to show you the next step. Okay, the colours I'm going to be using for this design is the Sistaco Burgundy. I'm not sure if this is still available by Sistaco. I've had it for a long time. And the Ritz, which I believe is still available. But you can use any other colour. This would also look good with the dark colours like the black, or just any of the dark reds would look great with this. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 coats of burgundy. So I will be back to explain what I'm doing as I go along with each step.
Everything's going smoothly, just falling into place since we became a title. And we still talk forever, hate to be alone, cause we know what we came for.
Here I'm just using a top coat on the last 2 nails because I will be doing tips on those, and I just don't want the powder to stick to the top part of the nail. So I'm just doing a quick top coat on that one. Now I'm just adding the base coat again to the burgundy nails so that I can do the second coat of burgundy.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be
On these last 2 tips, I'm just using a base coat at the tip area, and I'm just being really careful to sort of try and get a good line. It just takes a bit of practice. And then I'm going to be using a flat brush, so either a flat brush or an angled brush works well. So I've cured this obviously, and now it's sticky, so that's why I did the top coat before, so that it isn't going to stick to the rest of the nail or fly up and stick to the nail. So then just sort of outline it as best as you can. You can use those little nail guides if that's easier for you and you're not good at doing the smile lines. So I'm just going to put this on, and then I'm going to cover another coat of it with base coat, and then I will put the Ritz over the top of that, which you will see shortly, and I will come back to explain the rest.
But I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough.
Before I go ahead and apply the base coat to the last two, I'll just go ahead and put a top coat on these burgundy nails and get those all finished. Now you'll probably notice that I have different coloured base coats and top coats that I'm using. With Sistaco, I have different bottles of base coat that I use and top coat because, you know, obviously sometimes the glitter and the powder does get caught in the brushes quite often. So I have one that I use for glitter and obviously one that I use for just solid colors. You will see me wiping the brush on the paper towel because that just collects some of the glitter before putting it back in my bottle, because I don't want all that glitter to stay inside my bottle and then come out on all my other polishes. So that's what I do. And so what I'm doing here, sorry the camera's out of focus, I can't actually always see if my hand's in focus, so I've really got to work on that situation. But basically now I'm just applying a base coat again to the burgundy tips, curing it, and now I am going to, with the same method of a flat brush, apply the Ritz, and I'm just going to put that little wipe there just to stop glitter from getting all over my hands.
Standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night. I will be standing here till the stars align.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face.
Before I go ahead and apply the top coat on these nails, I just want to clean up the nail bed there because there is glitter that kind of sits around. So I'm just using a little bit of alcohol to neaten that up and wipe it off. And just make sure before you put, if you do this and you use alcohol, make sure the nail is completely dry before you put the top coat on.
Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face.
Now here they are all finished. You could leave them like that if you're happy with that, but I'm going to clean them up and then I'm going to come back and add some bling, but that's completely up to you.
You feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my You know that I'm here, I'm here. Come when you want. You know I always pray for your little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me. I know that you miss me.
And here is the finished look, guys. What do you think of these colors together? I actually really love them, and this lighting doesn't do it justice, so I am going to take them outside and show you just how sparkly that Ritz really is. I think it's absolutely gorgeous color, and I love adding bling, but you know, I know some people don't, so up to you. But I would love to hear your thoughts, suggestions on other color combinations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.